Today is iPhone launch day, so let's go to the Apple Store and see if anyone's there. Well, of course not. You should be home stroking it, and what stroking means is up to you. Now, seeing this is the Toyota Corolla Virus launch day event, let's do the Toyota Corolla version of the iPhone launch day. Yeah, let's simulate it. Remember the days where you used to order your phone online from apple.com and you'll click on collect from store so you can line up like an imbecile. So yes, back in the day, you could actually go to Apple Store on launch day and pick up your phone. And of course, you got the early appointment because you're just a legend. And you go there and you look around the corner and there'll be no one. Or there'll be loads of people. Depends if it's a cheap one or not. If it's a cheap one, there's a line around the corner. If it's an expensive one, no one's there, trust me. But today, if you go to the Apple Store, it's just going to feel like going to a Samsung store. No one will be there. And yes, we've gone to the Apple Store, survived the blue Smurfs or red Smurfs or black Smurfs. I can't keep up with what colour they are. We get our brand new iPhone SE home and woof, yes, let's unbox it because that's what everybody does. Because for some unknown reason, people think there's going to be something different in it to the last 100 iPhones that were launched. And yes, you open it up and whoa, you get an iPhone. Amazing. You also get some literature, some stickers, and a charger. Who would have thought? And headphones too. I forgot that. So now you grab this iPhone in your hand and wow, first thing is it's amazing, right? It's so small. It's like it's made for a little boy. Maybe it should be called the iPhone GP, George Pell edition, because he's going to love this phone. And by the way, George Pell fans, yeah, the candy and lollies stuff doesn't work anymore. You got to get him iPhones and stuff, yeah. Google him. Or maybe they should have called it the iPhone Classic or Vintage because this looks like an iPhone from the past. Yes, the good old iPhone 6 in 2020. Who doesn't want that? I mean, at least it has Touch ID and it works, unlike Face ID, which never works when you have sunglasses and you have to constantly bow to. Touch ID is better. It is. And we also get some other classic touches. Like I can't see shit on this screen outdoors in the sunshine. That is classic. But it's Toyota Corolla Virus time, so who's going outdoors anyway? And if you haven't already watched the big YouTubers' propaganda videos of the iPhone SE, go check them out. But I can summarize it for you right now. This is an iPhone I wouldn't use, but it's the best iPhone for you and everyone else. That's what they're saying. Who am I to argue? And here in Australia, we get the pleasure of being charged an extra $100 than what it should be because, hey, you can go buy a Galaxy S10e for $750. That's the price of the iPhone SE in Australia. Yeah, for real. But in all seriousness, if you rock an iPhone 5, well, you need a new phone. Or a 6, 7, 8. And you have a phobia of new interfaces and awesome display technology, this is the iPhone for you. In all honesty, it is a good iPhone. It will last you many years. You get everything that Apple has. And there is so much value in this. If it's $399 in the US and Australia, we get ripped. But yeah, it's an iPhone 8 with updated specs, a really good camera. And it won't slow down in 6 months like your Samsung. That takes 2 years when they try to deprecate it. So you can buy a new one. Under the false pretense that they have to protect it from crashing because the battery is aging. And talking about slow things, if you have an iPhone, you probably have a Mac. And the ultimate optimization tool for your Mac is Clean My Mac X. Leave a link in the description where you can get that thing. If your Mac is running like a PC and you really want it to run fast again, use Clean My Mac X. It'll make your Mac sing. Oh, does that make sense? If it's running like a PC, maybe it is running faster already. I don't know. Catch you next one. Tally ho.